What's the meaning of binman? Binman. Binman.
Binman. Binman. The term binman is a slang word used in British English to refer to a garbage collector or waste disposal worker. These individuals are responsible for collecting and disposing of household and commercial waste, ensuring that streets and public areas are kept clean and free of debris. The work of a binman can be physically demanding and often involves working in all weather conditions. Despite the challenging nature of the job, binmen play a vital role in society by ensuring that waste is disposed of in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. Without their hard work, our communities would quickly become overwhelmed with rubbish and debris.